Could artificial intelligence potentially outsmart us one day? It's a question that stirs up the imagination, and perhaps a bit of fear, as we find ourselves in the midst of a rapid technological revolution. The development of AI is akin to a speeding train, propelled forward by the economic and political engines of our time. Consider the landscape. On one hand, we have the ever-persistent arms race, where nations compete to develop the most advanced weapons, and AI technology is becoming a critical part of this competition. On the other hand, we have corporations investing heavily in AI, driven by the promise of increased productivity and efficiency. Yet, as AI advances, it presents us with a conundrum. While we relish the convenience and productivity gains brought about by AI, we can't ignore the potentially profound implications for our society. The influence of AI is extending into decision-making roles traditionally held by humans. From middle management to even higher echelons, AI is making its presence felt. And as AI continues to evolve, the line between human intelligence and artificial intelligence becomes increasingly blurred. So we find ourselves grappling with a paradox. As we push the boundaries of AI, we're also challenging the very notion of human intelligence. We're forced to confront the reality that our creations might one day outsmart us. The question remains, are we driving this technological revolution, or is it driving us? Imagine a battlefield dominated not by human soldiers, but by AI-driven machines. This isn't a scene from the latest sci-fi blockbuster, but a real possibility as we see artificial intelligence being increasingly utilized in weaponry and military strategies. Today, the landscape of warfare is transforming at an exponential pace, with AI taking a center stage. Countries aren't just racing to build the most advanced weaponry, they're racing to build the most intelligent. From autonomous drones capable of precision strikes to robotic soldiers that never tire, the line between science fiction and reality is blurring. But as we push the boundaries of what's technologically possible, we must also grapple with the ethical concerns this new era of warfare brings. The use of AI in weaponry presents a Pandora's box of potential issues. Imagine a scenario where an AI system misinterprets a command or misidentifies a target. The result could be catastrophic, leading to unintended civilian casualties or even sparking unintended conflicts. Moreover, there's the question of accountability. In a war with AI-driven machines, who bears the responsibility for any mistakes or misjudgments? Is it the creators of the AI, the military leaders who deployed it, or the AI itself? These are questions we have yet to fully answer. And then there's the potential for an AI arms race. As nations strive to outdo each other in AI military technology, there's a risk that we may ignite a new kind of Cold War, one where the stakes are even higher. In this race, the goal isn't just to have the most powerful weapons, but the most intelligent ones. And with intelligence comes unpredictability. Can we control these AI systems once they're out in the wild, or will they become a threat we didn't anticipate? In this high-stakes arms race, we must ask ourselves, at what cost? As we push the boundaries of AI in warfare, we must also ensure we're not losing sight of the potential dangers. It's crucial that we establish clear regulations and safeguards to prevent the misuse of this powerful technology. Because the battlefield of the future may be dominated by AI-driven machines, but it's the decisions we make today that will determine if that's a future we want to face. Will a machine be your next boss? It's a question that might sound straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's becoming more and more relevant in today's digital age. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is slowly but surely carving out a space for itself in the workforce, and it's worth taking a moment to consider the implications of this evolution. AI's impact on the job market is multifaceted, with both positive and negative aspects. On the one hand, AI can streamline operations, making businesses more efficient and productive. It can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative responsibilities. AI can also work around the clock without breaks, potentially increasing output and contributing to economic growth. However, on the other side of the coin, there are concerns. As AI continues to advance, it's not just manual labor jobs that are at risk. White-collar jobs, roles that involve decision-making and analysis, are also under threat. Machines are starting to move into middle management and even higher up the corporate ladder. This shift could lead to significant job losses, and there's a real fear that many roles once performed by humans could become obsolete. Moreover, this transition raises questions about the nature of work itself. If machines take over more of our jobs, what will be left for us? Will we find new roles that machines can't do, or will we have to redefine our relationship with work? These are not easy questions to answer. As we stand on the brink of what could be a major societal shift, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons of this technological revolution. We must ensure that as we move forward, we do so in a way that benefits not just businesses, but workers and society as a whole. In the end, the question isn't so much whether a machine will be your next boss, but rather, what kind of world we're creating where that's a possibility. As machines move up the corporate ladder, what will be left for us? That's the question we need to be asking. So, what does the future hold for AI and us? The road ahead is paved with limitless possibilities. Imagine a utopia where AI aids us in every walk of life, making our tasks easier and our lives more efficient. But there's another side to this coin. A dystopia, where AI surpasses human intelligence, taking control of our lives and even our world. These are extreme scenarios, of course. The reality will likely fall somewhere in between. But as we steer towards this future, we must ensure that the wheel is in our hands. We must ensure that AI serves us, and not the other way around. The potential benefits of AI are immense, but so are the risks. It's crucial then that we approach AI development with caution. We need stringent regulation, stringent control, and above all, we need ethical considerations at the forefront of AI development. We need to strike a delicate balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and ensuring that it doesn't pose a threat to our society. This balance will be the key to unlocking a future where AI is a tool for progress, not a catalyst for disaster. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear: we must remain vigilant. But what can we do about this impending AI revolution? This is not a rhetorical question. It's a call to action for each of us. We can start by staying informed about the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, understanding its implications on our society, our economy, and our individual lives. Knowledge is power, and in this era of rapid technological evolution, it's our best defense. It's important to remember that we are not just passive observers in this unfolding story. We can contribute to a positive AI future. Seek out and support initiatives that prioritize ethical AI development, encourage policies that regulate AI, and ensure it serves humanity, rather than becoming a tool for dominance and destruction. Participate in public discussions, raise questions, demand answers. Let's not forget that the very essence of democracy is public participation, and in this age of AI, we need it more than ever. Finally, we can use our consumer power to support companies that are committed to developing and using AI responsibly. This is not just about what we buy, but also about the values we endorse and the future we want to shape. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's shape the future of AI together. Because the future is not something that just happens to us, it's something we create together.